Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 9T, and today I'll show you how you can add another account to Google Play Store. So at first you have to simply open the Play Store, and next you have to tap on the right upper corner. Click on this arrow, click to add another account, choose Google, use verification method, in my case it was the fingerprint sensor, tap on this pool and input your new email account. When you click next on the right upper corner, you have to input your password in this pool. Okay, and right now click on the next in the right upper corner, in the right bottom corner. Click agree. You can save or not save the password. Right now we can simply go back. Open Play Store another time, tap on the right upper corner, and as you can see, right now we are able to switch between accounts. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.